This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing here. Try it by yourself. Pick all the corn. Ooh, we got corn. Okay, so on our workspace, we have 1 block out of 7. Let's see. I'm just going to start throwing down blocks to test them. So, blah. And I'm not sure, literally just testing, because you can always run code more than once and be wrong and then fix it. That's fine. That's great. I'm going to click step here just so I can watch once. Okay. Oh, I think I forgot to pick that one. I did. And then, okay. Oh, and I ran into a wall. All right. So I know this gots to go. I don't want to hit a wall. And now instead, when I take that first step, I think I want corn. Let's try this out. Yep. Okay, so we got 1 corn. I've used 4 out of my 7 blocks. Let me try get this other one. And solving problems one step at a time, doing tasks one step at a time, it really helps. Instead of just throwing down a bunch of code, a bunch of blocks, and then hitting run, I work through it slowly. Otherwise, I make a mistake and I have to go back 19 blocks or whatever. Yeah, all right. So let's see. I think I need to go that way and then pick corn. Now, if you're yelling at your computer, you're right, because there's a faster way to do this. There's a pattern here. Right now I'm using 7 blocks, and we could do it with less. This will work, though, so let's check that out. Ta-da! So that works. Let's show you the faster way. We could use a repeat block, because, look at this. I go south, I pick corn, south, pick corn, south, pick corn. Instead of using all of these blocks, I could just put this at 2, right? Because we do this 2 times. Let me get rid of that. Drop this in here. And now the computer will go, okay, I need to step forward and pick corn. Let me show you. Step, pick. And then it hits the bottom and says, well, that was only 1 time through. Zoop, and goes back to step and pick. And now it ran 2 times. So if we had code below it, after this runs twice, it runs that code. Let's check. Notice we have 6 blocks now. And we still did it. Awesome. Let's keep going.